another video for you guys. This is how to look like a model on Instagram, or how to be an Instagram model basically, even though I'm not qualified for that, but you know, anyone can do that. So basically I'm just going to be showing you just some really nice ways to be photogenic, or you know, stuff like that. I hope you guys like this video. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and follow my Instagram down below as well, like, you know, because we're already promoting Instagram out here. Let's promote my Instagram, if that does that make sense. Let's get started. Okay, so the less is more, and it's so much better. So basically for the makeup, I don't apply any foundation. I go straight to concealer and just cover up the spots I really want to cover up. And usually the Instagram models, they don't cake up their face or anything like that, and they apply very less. So I just usually go for my moisturizer, so I have a good base to start with, and then I apply my concealer and the usual stuff. Okay, and then I just basically set my face with some translucent powder, and then I go into straight to mascara. And literally this mascara is so good. I totally recommend it, even though it's $25. It's from Lancome, their new mascara that came out, amazing. But yeah, I just apply some mascara, and then I dust that freaking cocaine off my under eyes, and then I go into eyeshadow, and I use this like brown beige color in my crease, and that's literally all I do. Then I'm gonna go with my bronzer and just, you know, not look so pale and kind of have a tan, if that even makes sense. And yeah, that's it for the makeup. Okay, so this is my opinion totally, but you know, you do you. I feel like burning your hair is not like the way to go. You can get so many cute freaking hairstyles with just like heatless hairstyles basically, but I usually pin my hair back with a clip or some bobby pins, and just take some baby hairs out to shape my face, and it's really simple and nothing much at all. This is gonna sound weird, but like basically know your angles, or how you're gonna pose, and like have your pose basically, if that makes sense. So like look in the mirror, or like take a bunch of selfies and see what looks good on you. Okay, outfit goals basically meaning like your style and how you dress. So I'm rarely like, you know, laid back and cozy, but kind of like chic, if that even makes sense, and you know, that Tumblr vibe. But yeah, express your style and find your style. Major tip, like you don't have to be like in LA to take a bunch of really nice pictures. You can literally go in your freaking like neighborhood, or your like city, or just like go adventure out to new places and find some cool areas. It doesn't really matter where you are or what you have. If you have something that can take pictures yourself, you're perfectly fine. Okay, yeah. Okay, so I hope you guys like this video. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe down below if you're not already. Hit that subscribe button. What are you doing? Also, be sure to follow my social medias down below, and be sure to follow my Instagram if you're not already. Like, come on now. And yeah, I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. To love